12-piece ratcheting wrench set. Oh man, here we go. Another thing that I got for you automotive folks out there. Really good price. Missing pieces, broken tool. Oh, that's cool. Has comes with a warranty. That's pretty awesome. Hey, that's dope. All right, this is it. All right. Came out to like 30 bucks, I believe, for this set. So it comes with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 millimeter ratcheting wrenches. Like I said, I rarely ever use standard. So for me, this is perfect. There we go. How this works. Oh, interesting how that setup is. Let me put this on this box instead because it is a little bit slightly oily. But let's see. All right, the 19 millimeter. That's cool. This is so much better than your regular wrench. So when you got that on it, it's just like a socket wrench. So the areas where a socket wrench can't fit because it's too thick, put that set on and just, you don't have to put it on, take it off, put it on, take it off. Just wrench it. This is a must-have for every mechanic. It goes all the way down to 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters up to, can't focus. Eight millimeters up to 19. So standard wrenches with a little bit of a lock, I guess. Definitely a good buy. Good sizes, nice and long. Definitely a good buy. With a lifetime warranty, and like I showed you guys before, you scan this card and they send you out a replacement tool. Awesome. Jaeger tools. They have the same warranty apparently as Craftsman. Definitely a good buy.